The special features that plants have that enable them to survive in their surroundings is called adaptation. It is because of adaptation to their surroundings that the plant look different too. Plants can be broadly grouped as terrestrial plants, aquatic plants. Terrestrial plants means those plants which grow on land. Aquatic plants means those who grow in water. Let us study about the terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants are plants that grow on land. There are different types of terrestrial plants depending on the conditions they grow in. Let us see. Terrestrial plants, some grow in the hill, some grow in deserts, and some in the plains. Okay, some in the marshy areas, some in hot and damp areas. Okay, all these kinds of plants are terrestrial plants. Okay, in the hill, it is very cold in the hills. It also snows in some hilly areas. Why do trees on hills tall and straight? To protect them from winter? Okay. The trees on the hills have the following features that enable them to survive in the cold condition. These pine and fir, these are the plants which are found in hilly areas. Are you able to see this? The trees are tall and straight. The leaves are needle-like and can withstand the cold conditions. See, leaves are like this. So they are able to withstand, means they are able to bear the cold condition, cold weather there. The trees have sloping shape that makes rainwater and snowfall off easily. Means they have sloping shape so that the snow can come down easily or rainwater can come down easily. They have cones instead of flowers, hence they are called conifers. They don't have flowers. They have got cones. You might have seen in hilly areas the cones falling down. The trees have their leaves throughout the year. They are called evergreen trees. So these kind of trees are evergreen trees. Pine, fir and all. In deserts, there is very little water in the desert. It is hot and dry. Cactus is a common plant found in the desert. So children, in desert, different climatic condition is there. Here on hilly areas, it is too cold, whereas in desert, it's too hot and very less water is there. So the plants adapt themselves by having some changes in them. What are the changes which are found in the plants which are found in the deserts? Like cactus, the roots are spread far out just under the surface of the soil so that they can quickly catch even the smallest amount of water. Means the root is spread down deep into the soil so that it can take out even a drop of water. The leaves of cactus are reduced into spines. Means cactus leaves are reduced into spines. The green part that you see is stem, whereas the spines that you see on cactus are its leaves. Leaves, what is the function of leaves? Do you know that? Leaves help in the preparation of food, and secondly, transpiration is done from the leaf. Extra water is thrown out of the leaf only. So its leaf is reduced to spine so that no water gets evaporated. The stem is green and fleshy. Food is prepared in the stem. Here the stem prepares food for the plant. This is cactus. Prickly pear, date palm and mesquite bush are some examples of other desert plants. Clear? In the plains, let us talk about the trees in the plains. In the plains, the climate is warm in summers and cold in winters. Plants like peepal, ashoka, neem are adapted to survive there in the following ways. The trees have many branches with big and broad leaves. The large surface of the leaves helps to cool the plant by the process of transpiration. Trees shed their leaves in winters to protect themselves from the extreme cold. Such trees are called deciduous trees. New leaves grow in spring. Clear? Is it clear to you? For plains, it's not that difficult to understand. Peepal, banyan, mango and neem tree, these all grow in the plains.